Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the phone and account are ready. On your phone, open Settings and go straight to Data Usage or Cellular. That shows live counters. If you use a carrier app, sign in now so you can compare readings. Once done, check whether your billing cycle starts today or earlier. That affects what counts as today. Make sure usage access is granted to any monitoring apps so they can collect and display real-time data. Next, dig into the specific sources so you capture all traffic. On Android, open Network and Internet, then Data Usage to see app by app and hourly spikes. This helps find heavy users. On iPhone, Cellular shows the current period and per app totals. Reset at midnight if you want a clean daily baseline. For Wi-Fi, log into your router or carrier dashboard to read WAN counters and traffic logs. That reveals devices generating data you might miss on the phone. Finish by reconciling all sources and creating protections. Compare your phone's live counter with router and carrier totals. Minor gaps happen due to sampling, but big mismatches suggest sync or reporting delays. Once aligned, set alerts or hard caps in your device or carrier app and schedule a midnight reset if you track daily usage. If something still looks wrong, reboot devices, sign out and back into the carrier app, and capture screenshots. That gives support the evidence needed to resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.